In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain from Namecheap to Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and where to look, so the whole process feels straightforward and manageable. Let's start from the assumption that you already have a Hostinger account and you're logged into it. From there, the main place you'll be working in is called hPanel, which is Hostinger's control panel. If you're not already on that screen, look for the option to go to hPanel after logging in. Think of hPanel as your dashboard for managing everything related to your hosting and domains. Once you're inside hPanel, take a moment to look around the main menu. You should see several sections, and among them, there will be one labeled Domains. This is where all domain-related tools and settings are grouped together. Go ahead and click on the Domains tab. This will open a page dedicated to managing your existing domains and starting new actions like registrations and transfers. On the domains page, you'll see different options depending on your account, but the one you're interested in is called Transfer Domain. This is the feature that lets you move a domain you own at another registrar, like Namecheap, over to Hostinger, so that Hostinger becomes the new registrar managing that domain for you. Find and select the Transfer Domain option to begin the process. After you click Transfer Domain, Hostinger will prompt you to enter the domain name you want to transfer. This should be the full domain, such as example.com, without any extra text before or after it. Make sure you type it carefully, because even a small typo will cause the system to either not find your domain or return an error. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before you proceed. Type in your domain name and look it over one more time to confirm it's correct. When you're confident it looks right, click the transfer button. This tells Hostinger to start checking the domain and preparing the transfer process from Namecheap. At this stage, Hostinger will typically verify that the domain is eligible to be transferred and will guide you through any remaining details, like entering an authorization code and confirming your contact information. Those parts are handled inside the steps that follow after you've clicked transfer, so just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If anything doesn't look right, you can always pause and review your domain status back in your Namecheap account to make sure it's unlocked and ready. The key actions on the Hostinger side are simply getting into hPanel, opening the domain section, selecting transfer domain, entering your exact domain name, and then clicking transfer to start the process. As long as you move through those steps in order and pay attention to the domain spelling, you'll be on the right track to completing the transfer from Namecheap to Hostinger successfully.